He sat on the park bench, utterly broke and exhausted. A single dad, a veteran, with the weight of the world on his shoulders. He stared at the lush green trees, his mind racing, wondering how he was going to feed his child tonight. His pockets were empty, but his heart was full. He had one last dollar to his name, a single bill that stood between him and nothing. Just then, a stranger, looking even hungrier and more desperate than him, sat down nearby. In that moment, a choice was made. A choice between his own survival and another person's. He didn't hesitate. Under the quiet watch of the tall green trees, a hero was born, not in a blaze of glory, but in a silent act of profound kindness. His uniform was long gone, packed away with memories of past battles, but his sense of honor, his duty to serve, remained as strong as ever. The wind rustled the leaves, whispering secrets as he extended his hand, not with a weapon, but with his last meal, his last dollar. He chose compassion, not survival. He was a broke veteran, a single dad, yet his spirit was richer than anyone could imagine. His child was waiting at home, unaware of the sacrifice their father was making. But in his heart, he knew this was the right thing to do. He had to help someone else first. The sun-dappled park would never forget his kindness. The river flowing nearby seemed to mimic his generosity, constant and unwavering. He was hungry, yes, but the stranger beside him was hungrier. That simple, powerful thought guided his hand. He believed someone else needed it more. He had no idea that hidden cameras were watching this entire scene unfold. He didn't know that his quiet, selfless act was being recorded, that destiny was being rewritten with every frame. A homeless man met a hidden hero that day, and that encounter sparked a chain reaction of goodness. His sacrifice echoed through the trees, a silent testament to the power of the human heart. The birds sang a little louder, as if they knew kindness had just taken root in that very spot. Broken money, but incredibly rich in soul. The grass beneath his feet seemed to feel his humility. His past battles on foreign soil had shaped his present mercy on home ground. A veteran's heart never forgets what it means to serve, to protect, to give. That one choice, made in a split second, began to turn his pain into purpose. The green fields of the park framed an unforgettable act of pure humanity. He walked away with nothing in his pockets, yet he had gained everything. The forest bore witness to true heroism, the kind that doesn't seek applause or recognition. On that day, kindness outranked hunger. Fate itself seemed to shift with that one gentle, unassuming gesture. He knew his child would one day learn what real strength looks like. And it wasn't about having the most, but about giving when you have the least. As he walked away, the sun broke through the clouds, a perfect mirror of the hope that had just pierced through his despair. He trusted that goodness would return to him someday, somehow. In that moment, he was just a man with a golden heart, surrounded by the green embrace of nature. He walked home feeling lighter, a strange paradox for someone who had just given away their last resource. His sacrifice would reach much further than he could ever have imagined. The story began to travel, faster than he did. It spread not through his own words, but through the silent power of his actions. Strangers who saw the footage felt inspired, their faith in humanity restored without even knowing his name. That park bench, once just a piece of wood and metal, became sacred ground, a symbol of selfless love. A veteran's discipline had met pure, unadulterated compassion, and the result was magical. That single choice unlocked a floodgate of unexpected blessings. It was as if the trees themselves bowed in respect as his story went viral. What he gave away with one hand came back to him multiplied, 100-fold, 1,000-fold. Kindness had planted seeds, and they were sprouting everywhere, in the hearts of millions who watched. That moment redefined heroism for a generation. He proved that heroes still exist and they don't always wear capes or carry shields. Sometimes they just sit on a park bench, hungry and broke. He didn't hesitate. He simply acted. It was a simple choice with a massive, world-changing impact. The world responded to his kindness. Donations poured in. Job offers appeared. A home was secured for him and his child. His life was transformed, not by a lottery ticket, but by a single act of giving. His kindness outlived his struggle, and hope bloomed where despair had once taken root. He never expected fame or fortune. He just followed his heart. The green breeze seemed to carry his legacy. Compassion, not rank or status, defined him. His hunger faded, but his honor remained stronger than ever. He was a father before anything else, and his actions taught a lesson in love that no book could ever convey. Courage doesn't always come with medals and parades. Sometimes it's the quiet decision to choose humanity over self. That selfless act saved more than one life that day. It saved the man he helped, and it saved himself, pulling him back from the brink. A veteran's heart never truly retires from service. That green path he walked led him to redemption, and his sacrifice became his greatest strength. His story continues to inspire today, a powerful reminder that one choice can have an endless impact. He gave when he had nothing, and that, right there, is what heroes do. Gratitude found him, even though he never asked for thanks. His legacy began to grow, as tall and as strong as the trees that had witnessed his defining moment. Service didn't end with the war. For him, it was a lifelong commitment. A broke man became a legend, a quiet hero who sparked a loud global conversation about what truly matters. The world watched history being made, and it was a history of love. That park now holds a miracle. The veteran chose love, and the world chose him back. He proved that kindness can not only survive hardship, but it can conquer it. A father, a veteran, a hero. He walked into that park unnoticed, a man struggling to survive. He walked out a hero, his story echoing forever. That's how legends are born. One moment, one sacrifice. A life and countless others transformed. The world needed his kindness, and he answered the call.